Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Are you wondering how to delete emails from your AOL mail account? Cleaning up your inbox is straightforward. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.aol.com. Then, log into your specific AOL account using your correct username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you will be taken to your main AOL mail inbox, where you'll see a list of all your received messages. To delete individual emails, simply locate the specific message you wish to remove. Next to each email, you'll find a small checkbox. Click this checkbox to select that particular email. If you need to delete several emails at once, just continue clicking the checkboxes next to every email you want to remove from your inbox. After you have selected all the emails you wish to delete, look for the Delete button at the top of your email list. This button usually appears as a trash can icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this Delete button. The selected emails will then be moved out of your main inbox and into your recently deleted or a trash folder. To permanently remove these emails and fully free up storage space, you must empty that folder. Navigate to your recently deleted or a trash folder, which is typically found in the left-hand navigation pane of your AOL mail interface. Click to open that folder. Inside, you will usually find an option labeled Empty Trash or Delete All. Click this option to finalize the deletion. If a pop-up window appears asking for confirmation, simply confirm your choice. Your emails are now permanently deleted from your AOL mail account. This simple process helps you maintain an organized and clutter-free inbox, improving your email experience.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.